Standard 10th Science and Technology Part 2 Chapter number 3 Life Processes in Living Organisms. Up till now in this chapter we have studied about the asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction in plants, sexual reproduction in human being. The next part is menstrual cycle. In case of females, at the age of puberty, the female reproductive system gets matured and some periodic changes start to occur at the interval of 28 to 30 days. These periodic or repetitive changes are called menstrual cycle. In Marathi, it is termed as Artava Chakra or Rutu Chakra. This is a natural process in which a very important process called ovulation occurs. This process is controlled by four hormones: follicle stimulating hormone, Putika Granthi Samprerak, त्यानंतर luteinizing hormone, Pitapindakari Samprerak, estrogen and progesterone. Now we will study this process in details. Here a diagram which is taken from the textbook E. Balabharati, and here the representation is like this. This is the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland secretes some hormones, and these hormones are released in the blood, and when these hormones reach up to the effective organs, then the organs show some changes. Those changes are shown here. These structures release some another hormones, and under the effect of these, what happens about the endometrial wall of the uterus, that is shown here. And in the bottom level, days are shown. On which day what change occurs, that is to be studied in this process. Now the pituitary gland, that is in Marathi Piyushika Granthi, which is present beneath the brain, secretes the follicle stimulating hormone. Under the action of this follicle stimulating hormone, one of the several follicles in the ovary starts to develop along with the oocyte within it. This developing follicle starts to secrete the hormone estrogen. Okay, and now under the action of this estrogen, the endometrium of the uterus starts to develop for the first time, and later on in the subsequent cycles it gets regenerated again and again. During this process, the development of follicle gets completed. During this process, the development of the follicle is completed. Finally, the follicle bursts under the effect of hormone secreted by the pituitary gland, and that hormone is luteinizing hormone. Under the effect of this luteinizing hormone, ovulation takes place and the follicle is converted into the corpus luteum, and now this corpus luteum starts to secrete the hormone progesterone. This process occurs about 14th or 15th day. This formed corpus luteum starts to secrete hormone progesterone. The endometrial glands now start to secrete their secretions under the effect of this progesterone. This process is helpful for the implantation of the embryo. That means if the oocyte gets fertilized and embryo is formed, then this change helps in the process of the implantation of the embryo. If ovulation takes place here and within 24 hours, if oocyte is not fertilized, then corpus luteum becomes inactive and it becomes corpus albicans. And now the secretion of this progesterone and estrogen is totally stopped. As this progesterone and estrogen are totally stopped. Now the endometrial wall starts to degenerate, and due to this degeneration, the tissues of the degenerating endometrium along with the unfertilized oocyte are discarded out through the vagina. Due to this degeneration of tissues, continuous bleeding is occurring for 4 to 5 days, and this is called as menstruation. In Marathi it is called as Rutusrav. If the ovulated oocyte is not fertilized and the embryo is not implanted, this process is repeated after every 28 days. And if the oocyte gets fertilized, the embryo formed gets implanted in the uterus. After implantation, the repetition of the menstrual cycle is temporarily stopped till parturition. पार्च्युरेशन म्हणजे बाळानं प्रत्यक्ष जन्म घेण्याची प्रक्रिया. अँड देअर आफ्टर टिल दी ब्रेस्ट फिडिंग. बाळ जोपर्यंत दुग्धपान प्रक्रिया चालू ठेवतं तोपर्यंत ही मेन्स्ट्रुअल सायकल ही प्रोसेस थांबते. दी विमेन experience severe pains during the period of menstruation, that is during the period of menstrual flow. Also they experience weakness. There is higher possibility of infections during this period. Therefore there is a need of rest and special care of personal hygiene is required. म्हणजे व्यक्तिगत स्वच्छतेची विशेष काळजी घेणं या कालावधीमध्ये आणि विश्रांतीची सुद्धा गरज असते. धन्यवाद.